Hi there, this is Mr. Boyd. Today, we are going to talk about how to share files from File Explorer on Windows 10. Using the built-in file sharing feature on Windows 10 is the best method to share files in a local network, as it is more flexible. There are two ways to share files using File Explorer. You can use the basic settings, which allow you to share files on the network with minimal configuration, or you can use the advanced settings to set custom permissions and other advanced options. Okay, let's begin. To share files on a local network using the basic settings, open File Explorer. Navigate to the folder you want to share, right-click the item, and select the properties. Click on the Sharing tab. Click the Share button. Use the drop-down menu to select the user or group to share a file or folder, and select Everyone Group. Click the Add button. Under the Permission Level section, select the sharing permissions you want the folder to have. You can choose Read, which is the default setting if you only want users to view and open files. If you select Read Write, users can view, open, modify, and delete the content on the shared folder. Click the Share button. Confirm the folder's network path that other users need to access the network's content, and click the Done button. Click the Close button. To share files on a local network using the advanced settings on Windows 10, open File Explorer. Open the location with the folder to share. Right-click the item and select the Properties option. Click on the Sharing tab. Click the Advanced Sharing button. Check the Share this folder option. Click the Permissions button. Windows 10 allows other users read-only access to the content you share by default, meaning they can only view files but cannot do anything else. If you want users to edit the files, delete, and create new documents in the location, you must manually select the permissions. Select the Everyone group. Click the permissions to access the contents of the folder. Full Control enables users to read, change, and edit permissions. Also, it allows them to take ownership of files. Change. Users can read, execute, write, and delete files and folders in the shared location. Read allows users to access and view the contents of the folder. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Click the OK button. Click the Security tab. Click the Edit button. Click the Add button. Click the Advanced button. Click the Find Now button. Select the Everyone group. Click the OK button. Click the OK button again. Select the Everyone group again. Click the Full Control option. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Click the OK button again. Once you complete the steps, the shared content should be available when browsing the remote computer on File Explorer Network. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.